Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach the poem Keeping Quiet, composed by Pablo Neruda. This poem is related to the book Flamingo. In this poem, I will teach that how the poet is telling that to counting 12 and all the people will stand during that moment. And he is telling that really that will be a very unique moment when all the people will gather and they will be silent. And what is the really benefit of this moment, I will just describe step by step, means line by line. So student, I am starting this poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will still keep still. We all keep still, means he is telling that I am just counting till 12 and all the people will maintain pin drop silence during that time. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. He is telling that no language will be spoken by the people, and let's us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Means people will be 100% means silent, and they will not move their arms. It would be an exotic moment, without rush, without engine. Means that will be very unique moment, extraordinary moment, without any kind of rush and without any kind of crowd. And we will all be together in a sudden strangeness. Means all the people will gather during that moment, and that will be very unique time, strange time for all the people. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Those people were catching the whale fish in the sea. They will not harm the whale fish. And the man gathering salt would look at their hurt hand, and those people were gathering the salt near the sea. They will look their injured hand. Those who prepare green wars, war with gas, war with fire. People those are fighting inside the house. They are using the weapons for the fight. Victory with no survivor. There is no meaning of such victory. There will be no people remain for the survival. Would put on the clean clothes and walk about with their friends, brothers. And such type of people will come, will also come front, and they will stand and they will move together in a state of doing nothing. Means they will do nothing, but they will move only. What I want should not be confused. Means what I want to say means that is not the matter of confusion with total inactivity. There will be only monotonous environment during that time. Life is what is about. Means what is the real meaning of life. I want no truck with death. Means people should not be confused regarding death. Death is sure and certain, and we have to face the challenges of death. If we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, means people must have one target. By this way they can progress in their life, and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence. If the people will be in a silent zone, then there will be a very extraordinary moment, and they will do nothing during that moment, might interrupt and the sadness of never understanding ourselves and the threatening of ourselves with death. People must realize the death is the last stage of life, and we must be very we must be without selfish nature, and we must have the feeling of welfare for the people. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Poet Pablo Neruda is telling that this earth can teach us a lot of things, and when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Means firstly he is telling that everything looks dead, and after some times, few moment everything looks alive. No, I will not. I will count up to 12, and you will keep quiet, and I will go. At last moment, poet Pablo Neruda is telling that he will count till 12, and all people will gather and they will be silent, but he will move from there. By this way, poet wants to convey the message that first, unity is strength, and second, peace is the second name of life. Peace is must in the life. If there is no peace in the life, human being cannot get the salvation in the life. And people must have the same aim, means one particular aim. And if all the people will fight for one particular aim, they can gain success without any kind of hesitation or problem in the life. So the moral of this poem is that we should not have selfish nature first, and secondly we must be united, because there is a proverb, united we progress, and if we are not united, in that case we are coming and very we are going to be failed in the life. So this is the moral of the poem. Thank you.